Check this out. Here's Joe's redneck bench grinder. It's like clamps. It's all that's missing is duct tape. Here's what he comes up with. His variable speed by dimension. Tighten this clamp up here. It starts the process. It's supposed to. There we go. That's this low setting. There's this medium. There's this high, which I probably wouldn't recommend that. Probably fly off this bench. You know, he probably could have went on Craigslist or something, bought a bench grinder, but pretty nice. I'll try that one more time. Yep. Oh, fuck that. That's a Calvin creation. So, you know, selling these for $19.95, 3 easy payments of $19.95. But, you know, they're flying off the shelf literally, you know. All right.